So after we created our user authentication details and user data, we need to create our sign up screen. And yeah, let's do this now. So if we run, let me open here. If we run our app now, it will show, I think, nothing. Let's see, just a container here. Oh, so we have a problem here. It says that we have to put a DAX. Let me see it. So we just need to go Android app, build a Gradle, and the problem is here. So what you have to do here if you face this problem, like I face right now, DAX file cannot exceed 64K. Pretty simple. If you click here and go here, it will open a website telling you what you have to do. So let me show you. Yes, so it's the multi-DAX problem. We have to copy this, paste it, and paste it here. Just to make sure that everything works, let's copy this dependency here and paste it here. So that's it, just close it and run the app again. Yes, it is a blank screen because it only has a container. So we are just about to change it now. So I won't talk a lot, just do it and do what I'm doing because it's a layout, so I don't want to lose time here. Let's go. So I want all my fields like the email text field, the password text field, and name text field stay in the middle of screens. So that's why I'm going to put in a column main axis alignment dot center. So let's go ahead. So now we are creating a validator. So it's pretty close to the end of our UI because it takes long to type all this line. So I'm not speaking about it. And I'm thinking that you know already this. So let's go ahead and let's create our validator because we're gonna need a lot. So I think we have finished um, the first text field. So let's reload the app and see if it works. Let me reload it. Yeah, so we got here your name and type your name here. So we're going to copy this again just for us don't to type too much code because it takes a long time doing this, right? Let's do this again. And we're gonna come here from this padding. Yeah. Till here. And after this sized box, we're gonna paste it. Yeah. And then we're gonna paste it again. Yeah, we just need to change their names. So the first here, let's go to the second one. First, so here we're gonna put like email, and here we can say type your email address. That's right. And here where there's name, let's set email. And there's some validation here, so let's do this now. It's pretty easy. It's a simple validation, so you can learn it. You can learn later about how to build a pretty much good validation. But it's just for testing, just to learning, so let's make it fast. And here, password, type your password. And why? Oh, type your password, and here we're gonna set like password. Yeah, let's reload it. And yeah, I think it's good, don't you think? I know it's not that beautiful one, but it's just for testing, so I don't want to take too much time here, because you know what you have to do, and you're going to create your personal widgets or personal UI. And after we have created our three text field with name, email, and password, I think let's change its username because it's ugly, and let's call it name. Just name. I think it's beautiful now. And down here, down the password, we can create a button. So let's do this now. And just to remember, if you don't want to create all of this or type what I'm doing, you can copy the link on the last video, because in the last video you have the source code of this project, so you can check it later and see what I'm doing and see if your code is correct, right? So you don't need to type all of this that I'm doing here. Oh, it's an error here, but that's okay. So we have our three text field and our register button here. And there's a problem here, but never mind. Let's see what he's complaining about. Alright, so in this column, I'm gonna wrap it. Well, let's make it list view. Let's see if the arrow. Oh, so I don't. Okay. So let's wrap it with a widget called single child. Oh, I'm sorry. Single child scroll view. Yeah, it solved the problem. So we now have the three text field and our register button. So this video was about to create our UI of sign up method, and in the next video we are going to learn how to finally sign up the user and save the user information in a Firebase Firestore. So I'll see you in the next video.